this trip in Chile. Nice little neighborhood with mowed yards and cute little houses. A little kitchen, which we're excited to be able to prepare our own meals. Washing machine. And then we have our own bathroom. And no more bunk beds. We actually have a bed and some closet space. Here in the house, there's 3 more bedrooms back here and another bathroom. Chilean girl here now who is doing her internship for culinary school. It's a little chilly here in Chile because it's winter time almost, but we have some nice little space heaters to help keep the place warm. They've got these 2 bikes they've loaned us so that we can bike around if we want to. And with about 7 or 8 of their employees who are having classes with me right here at this table. Our little porch area. Got our clothes hanging out to dry here. Some green map in our house shows where some of the Workawayers have been from all over the world to work at this restaurant in Chile. There we are. Take you on a little walk to show you how we get to the restaurant. We're in, it's kind of like the Napa Valley of Chile here. We're in between 2 mountain ranges and there's tons of vineyards here. They make lots of wine. More developed here than any of the countries that we've been in so far. The grocery store has tons more options. Of course, more expensive comes with all of that. Food is about the same price as it is in the States here. Yesterday was pretty rainy and it was 40s and 50s, but today it's sunny and 63. Gorgeous. So I just walked down to the end of my street here. Nice little park with some rose bushes. Another little park here, playground. Walk out here to the main road. It's clean. Doesn't smell like pee. Got some mountains in the background there. Yep, and here's the restaurant right here. About a 10-minute walk. Assignment is peeling and deveining shrimp. Looking like Aunt Jemima. What are you doing now? Peeling garlic. Risotto. Oh, eso es risotto. Making bags of it. For is that like the portion for one person? Yeah. And then roll it up. Calamaris? Oh, are those the ones you breaded yesterday? Yeah. Ah, and now they're frozen? Ah, okay. So you make portions of everything. We're a little downtown, this little town. It's also about a 10-minute walk from our house. They have Super Walmart here. It's not called Super Walmart. It's smaller, but it's owned by Walmart. It's basically a Super Walmart. Exciting amount of little restaurants and businesses and everything you would really need here. Pretty quiet, tranquil little town. They have their own special ed school here, which is awesome. Our host said they really value education in Chile. It's a pretty good sized school for just having special ed. Parks and exercise equipment. You see lots of people biking and jogging. The health center is pretty modern looking. There's this open air market here. They sell all kinds of fruits and vegetables and also some clothes and other items. Today he is blending tomato sauce. What are you doing today? Grating cheese? Yeah. Right. Oh, you just grated all that? You're gonna grate all that cheese? I think so. Wow.